Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shamata and today I'm going to be sharing a very healthy detox drink which is made of wheatgrass. So in this video you will be learning how exactly can you grow your own wheatgrass at home and have this drink which has got numerous health benefits which will be explained throughout this video. Watch this video till the end and make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell icon. Everything good stuff. So let's get started with the video. To grow wheatgrass at home, you'll need a good fine quality of wheat. So here I'm taking a cup of wheat and soak it in water for 8 to 10 hours. You can actually keep it overnight. Now take a pot or any container and add some good amount of garden soil mixed with some good manure. So drain the water after 8 hours and this is how the seeds look. And now we're gonna add the soaked wheat seeds into the soil. Spread the seeds evenly across the soil. And make sure you don't place the seeds deep into the soil because in that way it will be hard for the grass to grow. And now add some soil on top of it just to cover the seeds with some good amount of soil. Just a thin layer will be good. And gently press it with your hands. Let the seeds be on the topmost layer. And you can also do it in this way by sprinkling some seeds and just gently mixing it with the soil like this, and it works both the way. Water it every day. Make sure you don't add more water to the soil, just sprinkle some amount of water. Place the pot where there is no much direct sunlight. Basically it takes 7 days to grow a wheatgrass. This is how it looks like in day 2. This is how it looks in the day 4. Make sure you place the pot somewhere near the window and not outside where there is much sun ray. In about 7 to 8 days, you'll have this beautiful wheatgrass ready for juicing. Now when it comes to the healthy benefits of wheatgrass, the wheatgrass juice contains a lot of calcium. It also contains huge amount of magnesium, iron and chlorophyll. It also helps in improving the blood cells and platelets count. It has huge amount of vitamin C content and vitamin A, which is good for your eyes and skin. And now it's time to harvest the wheatgrass for its juicing. Cut the grass just above the roots in a small portion according to your use. And you can let the grass grow for its second harvest. But the nutritional content of the grass from the second harvest is lower than the first one. Now it's time to extract juice from the wheatgrass. Wash the wheatgrass and blend it with the help of blender. And ta-da! The juice is ready. Make sure you drink the juice early in the morning with an empty stomach, and also make sure that you don't drink it more than 30 ml. So you don't have to add in any kind of mint or sweeteners like sugar or honey to the juice because the grass itself contains a natural sugar and sweetness. Hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.